I'm Kumaravel. Welcome to Excel Learning, Daily Excel Learning, KM Card Beta Excellence. In this video, we are going to learn about how to apply Mround ceiling and floor and its uses. So first, let's talk about Mround. Mround is nothing but multiplication round. For example, we will be rounding up to some multiplication. For example, 100, 50 like that. Let's take here example of rounding with Mround with with 100. Okay. So for that, the function is called Mround. Put equal to Mround open bracket. You can see the parameter. Parameter is nothing. Parameters, two parameters. One is number and multiple. The number we can select the current pay, put a comma, and then you can have a multiplication of 100. So now you can see here, it is round up. That is round to 100. If it's more than 50, it will move to the next. For example, 489. Now it is changed to 500. Is 917. It is less than 50, so it is 900. So like that, it can use for the Mround. For example, if it's ceiling is the upper limit of whatever it is. See, for example, something you are going to pay, then you can use the ceiling. Ceiling formula is equal to ceiling, CEILI in the ceiling, open bracket, number, comma, significance, that is nothing but 100. Put a bracket. Now you can see here. Can you see this? 813. Now it is changed to 900 because whatever like round up will be moving to the next higher number. So that is called ceiling. Okay. So similarly, you can drag down. So floor is something, for example, nobody will accept. No, for example, our customer won't accept if you charge more than 50 like that also. For example, 159 is here. 159. Okay, 18, 159. Now you are charging like if you use Mround, it is more than 60 rupees. So in that case, you can use the function called floor. That is equal to FLOOR, floor, open bracket. You can select the number, comma, 100, and then close the bracket. Now you can see this. It will be to the lower limit it takes. It goes for the lower limit. So hope this video will be useful for you. This all Mround ceiling floor are the something what you should use according to the need. Hope this video will be useful. Further videos, subscribe to my channel KM Card Beta Excellence, KM Card Beta.